Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. If you just want the short version before buying, this is my simple take on the tech gadget. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Clear calls wherever work takes you. At your desk, cafe, or outdoors on a windy day, HP Poly Noise Block AI and that can make it more useful in everyday situations. Move effortlessly through the day. The HP Poly Voyager Legend 50 UC Bluetooth wireless headset for work builds on. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Seamless mobility for any work style. Experience hands-free mobility with the Bluetooth headset for work. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are easy tech, daily use, and smart upgrade. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. A real customer review mentioned that it full content visible, double tap to read brief content. My simple verdict: the tech gadget looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you like the video.